Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about how to protect your computer from malware. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching and support in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to protect your computer from malware. Protecting your computer from malware is essential to ensure the security and integrity of your data and proper functioning of your system. Here are some steps you can take to protect your computer from malware. Number 1. Install antivirus software. Use reputable antivirus software and keep it up to date. Antivirus programs are designed to detect and remove malware from your computer. Number 2, enable firewall protection. Enable your computer's built-in firewall or install a third-party firewall program. Firewalls help block unauthorized access and can prevent malware from spreading. Number 3, keep your operating system and software updated. Regularly update your operating system like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and all installed software including web browsers, Office applications, and plugins. Updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities that malware can exploit. Number 4, exercise caution with email attachments and links. Be careful when opening email attachments or clicking on links, especially if the email is from an unknown sender or looks suspicious. Malware often spreads through phishing emails. Number 5, download software from trusted sources. Only download software and apps from reputable sources. Be cautious of downloading software from unofficial websites or peer-to-peer networks as they may contain malware. Number 6, use strong, unique passwords. Create strong and unique passwords for your accounts and use a password manager to help you remember them. This can prevent unauthorized access to your system. Number 7, enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. Whenever possible, enable two-factor authentication or 2FA for your online accounts. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step, such as a code sent to your mobile device in addition to your password. Number 8, regularly back up your data. Make regular backups of your important data to an external hard drive or cloud storage. In the event of malware infection or data loss, you can restore your files from the backup. 9. Be wary of pop-up ads in unknown websites. Avoid clicking on pop-up ads or visiting unfamiliar websites, especially those that claim to offer free downloads or other enticing offers. This can lead to malware infections. Number 10, educate yourselves and others. Stay informed about current malware threats and educate yourself about safe online practices. Teach family members or colleagues how to recognize and avoid potential threats. Number 11, secure your Wi-Fi network. Secure your home or office Wi-Fi network with a strong password and encryption. This helps prevent unauthorized access to your network and devices. Number 12, use a standard user account. Avoid using an administrator account for everyday tasks. Instead, use a standard user account for regular use and only switch to an administrator account when necessary. This can limit the impact of malware if it infects your system. Number 13, consider using anti-malware tools. In addition to antivirus software, you can use anti-malware tools to scan for and remove malware. Some anti-malware programs specialize in detecting and removing specific types of threats. Number 14, stay informed and vigilant. Keep an eye on news and advisories related to computer security. Being aware of emerging threats and vulnerabilities can help you take proactive measures to protect your computer. No security measure is foolproof, but by following these guidelines and maintaining good security practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of malware infecting your computer. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to protect your computer from malware or maliciousware infection. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.